Did you know flamingos are not born pink? They actually start off gray. One incredible thing about flamingos is how their diet affects their color. These stunning birds filter feed on shrimp and algae rich in carotenoids, giving them their vibrant pink hues. Turns out, the more they consume, the pinker they become. Not only that, but flamingos have specialized beaks that allow them to strain food from water efficiently. Scientists found out that their feeding method is so unique, it helps them thrive in various environments. What's your favorite animal? Share in the comments below, and let's talk about these amazing creatures.